this video, I'm going to demonstrate flipping out the ears and the hugs. All right, let's start with the ears. So I start with your thumbs inside there. Just give it a little flip. I'm flipping it back and forth a bit. I find that it helps to ensure that the ears take on their fullest shape. You can see our evidence of process, and that's a little messy. That's why I'm finishing my seams with an animal brush. Now be gentle with it. This is very effective. I've chosen to use this style of brush because it's easy and quick to use. The ends aren't covered in rubber, so that you can actually get those little hairs out of the seam. And when you're done, it pushes all the fur out. And you can see that we've done a pretty good job of cleaning up as we go because there's not much to pull off. So this is our ear when it's done. Fluffy, natural, you can't really see our seam too much versus when it's freshly sewn. You can see it's quite messy. That looks great. Let's check the first one. Yeah, I could do a little more. Perfect. So when we were sewing the hugs, I told you to reinforce the edge with a smaller stitch. This is because we're going to be turning the hug on itself and hiding all the seams. So start by sticking your thumbs in the bottom here. Get it started a couple inches. Grab your dowel, just put that on top. So then slowly but surely, again guiding, not pushing or pulling any more than you need to. You'll slide the cat hat hug into itself. It'll poke at the top. You can just kind of wiggle it off the dowel and pull it through itself the rest of the way. Now all of your seams are hidden. Just like the ears, we're going to give it a little comb. Pretty good. And we'll do the other one. Perfect. You also give the hood a little bit of a comb. This seems pretty straightforward. Now you can see where we kind of evened out that seam a little bit. If you're unhappy with this, you can always turn it back inside out, soften that a little bit more. But I'm happy with this. This looks great. We're ready for hand sewing.